Similarly, if we want that now this time the sprite 2 should send a message to the sprite 1, so for that what we will do, we will send once again, what we will do, we will send a say message. We will go to the looks block. Here it will say go down. Again it will say for 1 second. Now here when I click once again on the green flag, let us say it will say jump up, then both are moving up, then the sprite 2 is going up and immediately coming back. So it should wait for few seconds and it should come back with the ball. So we will go to the sprite 2 coding and here we will add wait instruction. Here we will add here wait instruction. We will change it with the value 0.5 and then we will paste this instruction also. So let's once again run it. It will say jump up, it will go up and then it will wait there. Now here what is happening, when it is saying jump up, then the ball is also waiting there. So to make the sync between these two, we can decrease the speed of the ball also. Here we can change the value here. Now let us see. Now you can see that there is a difference between. Now the ball should come back to the original position. So for that what we will do, here we will add here glide instruction. Glide to the back position which was the -39. Okay, so let us see. Jump up, goes up, then both are coming go down. Now here what is saying, एकदम से वो नीचे आते ही एकदम से मैसेज कर रहा है go down. तो जैसे ही वो go down करे तो उसके बाद हमारा जो sprite 1 है it should move down. Okay, so when it says go down, then it should immediately go down. So for that it will send a broadcast message. Broadcast and we will say here new message go down message for sprite 1. Similarly, when sprite 1, when it receive the message go down, then it should immediately move to the down position. Here again only y value is changing, and in the down direction the value of y is always negative. So here the value is -114. So we will use here glide instruction and the value has been changed here. So इन द सेम वे जब इसको चेक करने के बाद, उसको रिसीव करने के बाद वापस इट शुड गो बैक टू द ओरिजिनल पोजीशन. सो अगेन वी विल यूज ग्लाइड एंड देन हेयर दिस इज द वैल्यू फॉर द -175 and here -175. The value can be changed. -3. Let's once again see what will happen. Then it say jump up, goes up, both are coming down, go down, then it is going down and then immediately it is coming back. But here the ball is not moving to the down, so we will add here glide instruction for ball also. So here we will add glide instruction, and where we want that it should come in the hands of the sprite 1. So to check that where is the sprite 1, where it should come, here it should come. So here the value is -145 and -131. -145 or -131. Once again I click on green flag, jump up, then it goes up, both are coming down, and then it says go down, then the ball is going down and then it is immediately going. So we can add the wait instruction here in between these two glide instructions so that it will wait for few seconds. Let's once again click on the green flag. Then here it will say jump up, goes up, both are coming down. Then it say go down, then again it is going up. As you can see, the speed of the ball is very high, so you can decrease the speed also by here changing the value. Or you can add the weight instruction also here. Go down, then it will go there, and then so here we can also add wait instruction. Wait for few seconds. Click on green flag, jump up, then both the sprite and ball are going up, then it say go down, then the ball and sprite both are going down, and then once again. So this is the way we can make our program very natural. In a very natural way they can play this game. I hope that the game will be understandable to you. Try it at your home, do it, and send me the videos for the same. Thank you.